The concluding ceremony of the Centenary celebration of the arrival of the Salesian congregation in Northeast India will be held on October 30th. Talking to reporters, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Victor Lingdaw, yesterday informed that the concluding ceremony will be held in 12 days from today. He requested all the priests, religious faithfuls, past pupils, friends and well-wishers to attend the program to be held at Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians at Laitumkhrah. Lingdaw said there will be Holy Mass on this day. The Archbishop further informed that Archbishop Leopoldo Guerrell, the Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, will preside over the Holy Mass in the presence of Rector Major of the Salesian. Meanwhile, Lingdaw informed that the annual Eucharistic procession will be held on November 13th after a gap of 2 years.
The concluding ceremony will be taking place on Sunday, the 30th October 2022. That is another 12 days from today. We request all the priests, religious, faithful, past pupils, friends, and well-wishers to attend the program which will take place in the Calvary, Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Laitumkhrah. The Holy Mass will begin at 10 o'clock in the morning, and the afternoon program will start at 2 o'clock in the evening. The Nuncio of India and Nepal, His Excellency Most Reverend Leopoldo Guerrell, will preside over the Holy Mass.